The graph of f of theta equals a cos theta plus d contains the points pi, -1, and 2 pi 7. What is the value of a? So you're trying to find the altitude given this information. Well, good news. We don't have any b or c here, which means in this case, the frequency is 1. And if the frequency is 1, the period is the standard 2 pi, which is good news. Now, why does that affect us? Well, let's try to graphically look at the 2 points that I am given. Okay, the 2 points that I'm given happen at pi and 2 pi. Okay, pi is -1 down here somewhere, and 2 pi is 7 up here somewhere. Okay, now the thing is, if the period is 2 pi, then this thing completes a full revolution here at 7 again. Not that I need to know that, but if the period is 2 pi, that means this guy starts at 7. So this guy, oh boy, this guy is half of its revolution. So you're a minimum value and you're a maximum value because of the fact that I gave you half of a pi or half of the period, which tells you where the max and where the min will be. So the min is at -1 and the max is at 7. Why is that good? Well, A in this case stands for amplitude. And the way you get the amplitude is the distance between the top and the bottom divided by 2. The distance between the top and the bottom divided by 2. So 7 minus -1 divided by 2 is 7 plus 1, which is 8, divided by 2, and therefore the amplitude is 4, which means A is 4.